Hello, hello, hello. Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Saan man kayong panig ng mundo. Of course, sa Pilipinas, good evening, good evening. Nandito na naman si Bisda ko for an hour. Mayroon lang tayong kwentuhan, di ba? So, bago ang lahat, sana naman ay nasa mabuting kalagayan po kayo, saan man kayong panig ng mundo. Tulad ng nasabi ko, Bisda ko is here. Kababayan, welcome mga kabisdak. Bisdak ni. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like it, hit like and share. Bisdak naglaroy-laroy. Bisdak! What? Bisdak ka? Bisdako. Yes, yes, yes. Hello everyone. Hello Myla Hinson. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Salamat, salamat na kumusta, kumusta? Di ana pod si bisda ko. Hang imamaster pa ning paano mag-ano ng jacket. Balik na naman ako dito sa jacket ano. Pangitaon sa nako. Kumusta naman Myla? Hope you're fine. Ha? Medyo kwentuhan lang tayo ngayon ng konti. Ayan, yung medyo gagawa ko ng topic, make a difference. Be the best of you. Okay ba, Myla? Kumusta diyan? Anong oras na ba diyan? Dito is it's 12. Let's have some tea. Medyo late na yung aking tea. Pero anyway, ako naman ay natutuwa at kayo ay nandito ha. May jacket ka na pala so okay lang. Yun nga lang, babalikan ko to. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganito. Medyo, nung nagising ako kanina, medyo parang nakakatamad gumising, ano. Pero of course, tamad in a sense na ah, hindi yung tinatamad tayo, but yung ang sarap ng feeling, yun nga lang, paminsan-minsan, hinahanap mo yung inspiration. Of course, every day is always an inspiration. Kaya nga, di ba? And then, later on, gusto ko lang kasing may nabasa lang ako na isang message doon sa isang group chat at ito ang nakapagbigay sa akin ng inspiration, yung message po na yon. Sagutin ko lang itong konting message. Balik tayo. So mega mega loud shout out doon sa group chat ko na yon. Actually, it's a family group chat ha, to the Horda clan. Mega mega loud shout out. At sa nag-share ng message na yon, Wow, it's a great, great, great day to read that. Very inspirational. Kaya gusto ko ring i-share sa inyo ngayon. So mega loud shout out to the Horda Clan. At saka sa, hindi ko na lang papangalanan kung sino ang nag-share na yon. And the story is an anonymous. So i-share ko lang din sa iba. And I really, really love the story. I hope nga magustuhan nyo rin ang story na to. Because at the end, yan yung ginawa ko ring title. Make a difference. Be the best of you. Sagutin ko lang itong message ng isa sa ating mga taga-subaybay. Yes, mega mega loud shout out again, Myla Henson. Myla Henson, mega loud shout out to all out there. Yes, yes, yes. Salamat, salamat Myla. Mm, mayroong nag-send din kasi sa akin na isa ding Bisaya, yung kanyang channel. Uh, Kaya later on i-ano ko rin yung channel niya. Okay. By the way, mega loud shout out sa ato ang mga uh, subscribers. Thank you so much ha. And also of course sa tanan nga misuporta, mga back support. Salamat, salamat kaayo. So balik ta sa kadtong akong giingon nga gi-share. It was shared sa group chat ng family at talagang nakapagbigay sa akin ng inspiration. So, alam niyo naman, maganda din na i-share kung ano yung makakabuti, di ba? Sabi na nga, good vibes. So, thank you for the 2 million people in the house watching. Hello, shout out sa inyo. Salamat kayo. Sige, i-share ko na to ha. Actually, this is just a 5 minute. Ginawa kong it's a 5 minute. Parang kwentuhan tayo. Di ba? Parang kwentuhan lang. Makapag-react lang ako sa inyo pagkatapos nung story. Okay? Are you ready sa story? Okay. Here we go. Make a difference. Be the best of you. A man was asked to paint a boat. He brought his paint and brushes and began to paint the boat a bright red as the owner requires. While painting, he noticed a small hole in the hull and quietly repaired it. When he finished painting, he received his money and left. Tapos na siya, no? Nagawa na niya yung dapat. The next day, the owner of the boat came to the painter and presented him with a nice check. Wow, much higher than the payment for painting. The painter was surprised and said, "You have already paid me for the work, sir." But this is not for the paint job, sabi nung nag-utos sa kanya. It is for the repairing the hole in the boat. Sagot naman ng painter, but it was such a small service. Certainly, it is not worth. Sabi na nga, no? My dear friend, sabi naman, sumagot yung sabi, let me tell you what happened. When I asked you to paint the boat, I forgot to mention the hole. When the boat dried, my kids took the boat and went on a fishing trip. They did not know that there was a hole. I was not at home at that time. Wow. When I returned and noticed they had taken the boat, my God, I was desperate because I remembered that the boat had a hole. Imagine the relief and joy when I saw them returning from home. Oh my. Then I examined the boat and found that you had repaired the hole. You see now what you did? You saved the life of my children. I do not have enough money to pay your small good deed. Oh, kaya pala siya binigyan ng malaking cheque. So, masabi natin dito, wow, ito naka-inspired sa akin nung nabasa ko yan. At medyo dahan-dahan, ano ko yung the moral of the story. Lota Family Vlog, shout out. Dan Tamsak host, oh, salamat, salamat. Shout out to the Lota Family Vlog. Maraming salamat for the Tamsak. Salamat, salamat. Ito, may kwentuhan tayo. 'Di ba? Make a difference. Be the best of you. So tuloy ko yung the moral of the story, ah. Tuloy ko lang ng konti kasi ito yung naka-inspired sa akin. The moral of the story, ito muna, parang medyo, ayan. So, no matter who, when, and how, wag na nating isipin kung sino, kailan, paano. Binagalan ko ng konti ang video na to. Continue to help, sustain. Sabi na nga, tuloy-tuloy lang yung tulong, pag-sustain, ibig sabihin yung suporta. Wipe tears. Kung yung kaibigan mo medyo miyak, try to wipe tears. Listen attentively. Makinig, pakinggan lang natin, baka mayroon silang gustong ikwento. And carefully repair all the leaks you find. Kung may mga makita man tayong butas, sabi na nga, ayusin. Katulad nung nangyari sa story, inayos niya malit na bagay, pero malaking bagay na nakasave. Because you will never know when one is in need of us. Oo nga naman, di ba? Kung may kaibigan tayo, may kakilala na hindi nga naman natin alam, di ba? Or when God holds a pleasant surprise for us. Yes. Sabi na nga, to be helpful and important to someone. Yun, sinurprise pala tayo. So, they will appreciate yung ating ginawa kahit kunti. Along the way, you may have repaired numerous boat holes for several without realizing how many lives you have saved. Wow, that's it. 'Di ba? Kaya may mga butas, ayusin. Tuloy lang, sabi na nga, make a difference. Kung be the best of you. Ayan, be the best of you. Ito yung naano ko. Dito ako na-strike, 'di ba? Make a difference. Be the best of you. So, yan, small act of kindness doon. Basahin ko na yung mga comments. Ang dami na pala. Sorry ha. Mag-shout out ako ngayon sa mga comments. Mega loud shout. Ay, hi, Miss Tisang Agta. Hi, welcome, welcome. Thank you for coming. Mega loud shout out everyone. Sabi ni Miss Tisang Agta. Lota family, sir, tambay ko lang. Oh yes, salamat, salamat Lota family. Miss Tisang Agta, love the content of this live. Oh, thank you so much. I shared ko lang, Miss Tisang Agta, yung inspiration for the day na nabasa ko sa isang group chat ng family namin. And kaya sabi ko, oh wow, this is good. Make a difference. Be the best of you, di ba? So lalo na tayo. Oh, thank you so much for the 4 million people watching. Thank you so much ha. Thank you, thank you. So, kaya prepared ko yung kunting story na to kasi gusto ko ring i-share, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Kumusta kayo diyan? Saan man kayong ano ngayon? Whatever you're doing? Uh, Mistisang Agta, I need to hear those words. Same with me. Patulad din sa akin. Talagang nung nabasa ko yon, oh wow. Di ba? Continue lang daw. Sabi na nga. Di ba? So, tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy ang laban, di ba? Especially ng saan man tayo, especially mga OFWs, naintindihan ko yung uh, ano natin, yung sinasabing buhay na malayo sa pamilya, di ba? So, let us just continue the moral of this story. Along the way, you may have repaired numerous boat hulls for several without realizing how many lives you have saved. O, di ba? So along the way, dyan sa trabaho natin, may mga kaibigan na nangailangan ng ano siguro, a shoulder to cry on, just listen, sabi na nga. Or a small short messages. So maraming salamat, maraming salamat. So really, really, uh, thank you so much sa inyo na nandyan. So sabi ko nga, ma-prepared ko nga itong ano na to. Wanted to share. Lovely Balabad, Tamsak Dan host. Thank you so much, Lovely. Mega, mega loud shout out. Lota Family Vlog, sabi ni Lovely Balabad. Mega, mega loud shout out. Myla Henson, sabi ni Lovely Balabad. Thank you so much. Yes, Bitang Beats here. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much, Bitang Beats. Ayan, mayroon lang akong itong live stream na to, just an inspiration, no? Shared ko lang yung inspiration ko this morning. Kaya sabi na nga, tuloy ang laban, 'di ba? Salamat, sir. Basta ikaw. Yes, thank you so much, Bitang Beach. Maraming salamat. Yan, the moral of the story. Sana narinig mo yung kanina, yung story na to. Inano ko lang yung isang painter. Kahit lobat ako, babantayan kita. Thank you so much. Bitang Beats, mega mega loud shout out ha. Thank you so much. So no matter who, when, and how, continue to help, sustain. Yes, Miss Tisang Agta, BG lang host, pero I'm listening. Thank you so much. Wipe tears, listen attentively, and carefully repair all the leaks you find. Alam ko mahirap, 'di ba? Tao lang tayo, pero sabi na nga, let's us just try our best. With God's grace, you will never know when one is in need of us. 'Di ba? Ang sarap naman din ng feeling kung nakatulong tayo kahit kunti sa iba. Or when God holds a pleasant surprise for us. to be helpful and important to someone. Sabi na nga paminsan-minsan, abay parang ako na lang atang tulong ng tulong ah. Hindi naman. Pero yung small act of kindness natin, malaking bagay pala yun sa iba. Because along the way, you may have repaired numerous boat hulls for several without realizing how many lives you have saved. Auxilium Carig, mega love shout out. Hello sir, salamat sa pagpunta. Salamat. Si host medyo nag-ano lang ng short inspiration. Make a difference. Be the best of you. Hanap, may jacket ka na ba, Auxilium Carig? Tingnan natin na. Sorry, ayan, mabigyan kita ng jacket. Baka mayroon pang hindi nakadikit sa iyo diyan. Ayan, may jacket ka na. Welcome, sir. Walang anuman, Auxilium Carig. Ayan. Actually, itong mga to, if magbaba ka ng bahay mo, kasi baka pwede kang madikitan nila later ni Mistisang Agta, ni Bitang Beach, ni Lota family, ni Myla. Yes, baba ka ng bahay. Same with Mistisang Agta. Ito mga magagandang ano natin to. Malakas tumulong din yung mga nandyan dito. Mistisang Agta. Yan si Bitang Beach, yan ang lakas niyan. Salamat sir, may premiere ako. O, sige, baba mo yung premiere mo. Ngayon na ba yung premiere mo? Iano mo yung link dyan, baka para matamsakan kanila. Auxilium Carig. Kasing lakas mo sir. Salamat. Actually, Bitang Beach, si Mistisang Agta, ano din yan, malakas din yan siyempre of course, ibig kong sabihin yung pag may time kasi nasa work din yan, no? So, ayan, pakitamsakan natin, ipin ko yung binabang premiere ni Mabagal lang si host ha. Ayan, ipin ko yung message mo. Auxilium Carig. Matamsakan natin. Sino yung dyan. Okay, your premiere will be in 47 hours. Ayan. Ayan. I-ano ko lang. Makatamsak. Ayun. Ayan, nakatamsak na tayo. Tamsak 39 na yon ha. Ito. So, for the 3 million people watching, maraming salamat. Ayan, ito pa oh. Ayan, number 40 ah. Hi Dong. Hi, hello. Hello Auntie. Hi Dong. Be best in your broadcast for His glory. Yes, for God's glory. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Lovely Balaba, Dan Tamsak sa premiere with comment. O yan, Auxilium Carig, pwede mo dikitan yan. Si Lovely. Si Bitang Beats. Okay? Bitang Beats, baba ka nga ng bahay mo dyan. Kasi ako, alam mo naman, nahirapan ako magbaba ng mga bahay nyo. Okay? Ayan yung premiere ni Auxilium Carig. Yes, for God's glory, that's why I shared this short broadcast kahit an hour sa ating mga kababayan no, watching all over the world. For the 4 million people watching, thank you so much. Make a difference. Be the best of you. Auxilium Karig, salamat. Yes, balikan ko. Ayan, may tatlong saging. Si Auxilium Karig na ibabalik kay Bitang Beach. Ayan. Pangatlong tamsak ito, Auxilium Karig ha. Auxilium Karig ang nagbakas, balikan ko ng tatlong saging. Oy, salamat sa pagbalik mo ng tatlong saging ha. Kay Bitang Beach, 'yon si Bitang Beach, si Lovely Balabad. Ayan. Ito ika number Tamsak 41. Tamsak 41. Ayun, magbakas lang kayo doon. Bisdak, from Bisdak. Ayan. Ayun, nagbaba ng bahay si Bitang Beach. Yan. Auxilium Carig, yan yung bahay ni mamaya ipin ko tong kay Bitang Beach na bahay. Salamat Bitang Beach sa pagbaba kasi mahirapan akong magbaba ng bahay. Ayun, at least kung tulong-tulungan lang tayo, 'di ba? Let's make a difference. Let us be the best of ourselves. Yes, magbigay ako maya ha, lista ko. Salamat. Pareho tayo, paminsan nililista ko din. Oh. I have my pen here. Oh. Ha? Nililista natin kasi ano, si ano lang, mag-ano ka lang, auxilium carig, pag ano ka doon, magbakas ka lang doon kay Bitang Beach. Then, kung iano mo yung bakas din na from Bisdaco, at least maano kanya na, ano, sige tuloy ko yung tamsak sa iyo ha. Ayun, naka number 42 ka na tamsak. Okay. Maya-maya yung ipin ko yung bahay ni Bitang Beach. Okay lang, sir. Salamat, Lovely Balabad. Ako hindi ako makamemorize sa yung mga mga ano Ma-memorize ko yung mga channel ninyo. Pero yung mga salamat na at least pinaalam niyo na kayo 'yon. Salamat, sir. Walang anuman, Auxilium Carig, walang anuman. Ganyan tayo, 'di ba? Tulungan. Ito anuhin ko. Uh, Pakitamsakan nyo rin yung aking yung hindi pa. Of course, alam ko natamsak nyo na, paminsan lang. Okay? Or if you want, see the description below. Mayroon akong Facebook account na Bisdak ko. You can check that. Mag-friend request lang kayo doon. Okay? Para doon sa ating FB. Bisdak ko FB. Yan, see the description below. Nandun yung ating yung ating Auxilium Carig, sir, ayudahan kita. Salamat. Ayan, ito din, mga inayuda ko. Ayan. Ayun. Okay. Hindi na lang ako magbakas doon ha. Yan, Tamsak 42. Hindi na lang ako magbakas. Auxilium Carig. Yung isa lang ang ibinakas ko kanina. Pero yung iba, okay. So for the 5 million people watching, thank you so much. Well, actually, itong aking live, I'll tried my best na 1 hour lang talaga yung aking live. Okay? Kasi alam ko uh, marami kayong gagawin. Buhulan ng Smuller. Ito sir, unang ayuda. Oh, salamat. Sige. So ito na yung unang ayuda ni Auxilium Carig. Maraming salamat. Welcome. Welcome, Buhulan ng Smuller. Salamat kayo. So hindi ko nabibigyan ng jacket to. Ikaw kayo ba to? Sige, bigyan ko pa rin ng jacket yan para next. Comics, go, go, go. Hi, welcome, welcome. Salamat sa mga ayuda ninyo. Salamat, maraming salamat. Itong si host, ano pa grade 6 pa lang, pero I know, with all your support, way to ano na tayo, 'di ba? Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Let's make a difference. Be the best of us. Isang agta, hi, yes, okay. May naka-premiere, Miss Isang Agta, kung makadrop ka ng bahay mo para matamsakan ka nila or kung may premiere po kayo. Okay. Bago ko palitan yung nakapin, kasi ang isunod kong ipin yung bahay ni Bitang Beats. Maganda ang challenge itong Auxilium Carig. Natutuwa ako din sa channel niya. Mayroon din akong ipipin mamaya. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa inyo ha. Ipin ko ngayon yung bahay ni Bitang Beach. Second ayuda, sir. Naay na malit. Oo. Ayog ka kuan sa panukli ha. Basi masayip kag panukli. No, no, so joke. Salamat sa ayuda. Salamat sa ayuda. Mega loud shout out to the Horda Clan family. Thank you so much for the inspirations. Hi, hi. Ayan. For God's greater glory. Ayan, nakapin yung bahay ni Bitang Beach. Saan ka nga? Sa US ka ba, Auxilium Carry? Smart Channel, third sir. Salamat kaayo sa mga thumbs up. For the 5 million people watching, thank you so much. Yes, salamat. Salamat sa inyong mga thumbs up. Ayun, si Comics, nagbaba ng bahay, The Robinson Kids. Agoy, pure bulanon, di ay man di ay ni. Bisaya, magbisaya day tani ron, kay pure bulanon. I have many friends here na mga bulanon. Salamat. Davao nagpuyo. Amping mo din ha, amping. So mega loud shout out sa ato mga higala nga taga Bohol. Ayan, ano mo yang mag ito naman, yung next na ipin ko, Auxilium Carig, mga pamangkin ko to. Mga pamangkin ko yan from London. Ang dami ng ayuda kay host. Maraming salamat. Ikaupat nga ayuda ang ato mga kahigalaan nga bulanon. Salamat kayo, daghan kayong salamat ha sa inyong mga ayuda sa pagtamsak sa live stream ni host. Baka mabigyan mo ng mga kunting banana yung nakapin ngayon, The Robinson's Kids, mga batang Pinoy, mixed Pinoy Briton. Mga mixed Pinoy Briton yung mga batang yan. Ako na lang manukli. Si Comics ang manukli. Hello, Almira Villaver. Hello, Almera 7. Hi, hello, Sir Lodi. Salamat for coming. Ayan, maanuhan nga kita ng jacket dyan. Ayan, Almera Villaver. May jacket ka na. Salamat sa ikalimang ayuda. Sinabay ko na ang nakapin. Salamat kaayo. Then ako ang balikan ko na lang din kayo kasi yung aking mga pamangkin, the mixed Pinoy Briton, talagang natutuwa ako that they're doing their channel, kids channel. So, Of course, busy sila sa studies, kaya ako ang magbalik sa inyo. Almira, baba ka ng bahay kasi itong si maganda din ito, magandang kaibigan itong si Auxilium Carig. Lahat naman dito mga magaganda. Nandyan si Miss Tisang Agta, oh. Ay, lang, busy lang. Sige, later. Ako na siguro ng bahay later kay Miss Tisang Agta. Almira, tambay po host. Okay, salamat ha, salamat. Kung makababa ka ng bahay para maayudahan ka ng banana ni Auxilium Carig. Nililista din niya yan. Garden lover, keep sharing. Oh, thank you. Make a difference. Be the best of you. Tuloy lang tayo, tuloy lang ang laban, Mamaya i-ano ko ulit mamaya yung story na shinare ko kanina. Manghingil ako din ng favor, Almira, yung nakapin, kahit isang banana, matutuwa na yung mga Robinson Kids. Kate Channel, ika-anim na ayuda. Uy, salamat. Kadaghan na nakog ayuda. Thank you so much. Almira, yes, salamat kayo Maraming salamat Almira. Ako na lang magbalik para kasi yung Robinson Cage. Of course, mag-iwan kayo ng bakas doon sa Robinson Cage. Pag-iwan kayo ng bakas, iniwan mo lang yung bakas na bisdak ko. Alam na nila yan na it's there, Tito. Kaya magbalik yun sa inyo. Hi, Ayang the Vlog. Hello po, host. Good evening. Magtamsak lang ako. Salamat sa tamsak. Salamat sa tamsak, Ayang the Vlog. Congratulations also, Moni na. Maraming Moni dito. Salamat for coming, Ayang. Baba ka ng bahay, Ayang, aside from tamsak, para magpalitan lang tayo. Kasi nandyan din si, Auxilium Carig na bahay. Wow. Sulugoon ni Auxilium, ikapito. Maayo kay imong nakuha ng mga sulugoon, Auxilium, Salamat kaayo. So ang premiere to nimo, ibalik to nako tong imong premiere, Auxilium, Ayan. Tamsakan natin yung premiere ni Auxilium. Ayan, ibalik ko lang yung premiere ni Auxilium. Thank you so much sa mga nag-BG dyan. Maraming salamat. 7 million people watching. Thank you so much. Ayan, binalik ko yung premiere ni Auxilium Carig. Patamsak lang. Kung mag-iwan kayo doon ng bakas, babalikan tayo. Maraming salamat, Myla Henson. Mega love shout out. Maraming salamat for the full pack kay The Robinson Kids. Yes, Myla. Yes, maraming salamat. Okay, mga pamangkin ko doon at babalikan tayo niyan. Almira 7. Oh, yes. Sige, mabigyan kita ng jacket. Ito yung main mo eh. Ayan. Dito ako ulit, sir. Yes. Salamat, Almira, for dropping. Maraming salamat. Full package. Yeah, okay. Salamat sa full package doon sa The Robinson Kids. Yung premiere ni Auxilium, hindi natin, tamsakan natin. Tatlo tong banana, sir. Oh, maraming salamat doon sa Robinson Kids. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay na host, premiere ng Nakapin with host Bisda. Salamat Ayang, maraming salamat Ayang. Ay, Ayang, itong mga nandito, ano din yan, sumusuporta din sa akin. So maraming salamat sa inyo, ano. Mm. Hindi pa kami mga money. Yes, hindi pa kami mga money, pero yung mga money, malaking tulong sa amin dahil sumusuporta din kayo sa amin. Oo, katulad ni Mistisang Agta, uh, this Auxilium Carig, yes, yes. And then, of course, Ayang the Vlog, thank you so much sa inyo, ha. Then, yung iba dito, ano, pare-pareho tayo. We are giving our best. We are giving our best. Bitang Beach, Almira 7, kapatid ni Almira, maraming salamat. Oh, by the way, bibigyan ko tong mga jacket na iba. Nakalimutan kong magbigay sa inyo ng jacket eh. Dali, ha. 9 to 10. Tricia Henson. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa ayuda. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Okay, balik ko yung ipin ko ulit yung kay Love kay Bitang Beach. Okay, yung bahay ni Bitang Beach. Maganda makipag ano din yan kay Bitang Beach. I think later maanuhan din kayo niyan. Maraming salamat ha sa mga suporta. Maraming salamat for the 8 million people watching. Thank you so much. Siguro ibalik ko lang yung aking kasi we only have few minutes more left. 9 million people in the house. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo ha. 10 sir at napakapin. Salamat sa pakapin. Salamat kayo sa pakapin. Sa nakapin. 10 sir at sa nakapin. Oh, sorry. Paminsan yung aking Bisaya ay nalito eh. Okay, Elma TV2. Okay, si Bitang Beach, babalik yan sa iyo. Magbakas ka lang doon. Sa bagay, naano ka na ni ano, then later on na lang kayo ulit maganohan, ano? Parang medyo lumamig na yung aking tea. I-ano ko yung aking share, yung story. Make a difference, ito yung title. Be the best of you. Yes, Auxilium Carig, maraming salamat ha. A man was asked to paint a boat. He brought his paint and brushes and began to paint the boat a bright red as the owner asked him. While painting, he noticed a small hole in the hull and quietly repaired it. And he finished painting, he received the money, and left. The next day, the owner of the boat came to the painter and presented him with a nice check, much higher than the payment for painting. The painter was surprised and said, "You have already paid me for painting the boat, sir." But this is not for the paint job, sabi nung nag-utos. It is for the repairing the hole in the boat. Ah, sagot naman ng painter, but it was such a small service. Certainly, it is not worth paying me such amount for something so insignificant. Sagot nung nagutos, "My dear friend, you do not understand. Let me tell you what happened. When I asked you to paint the boat, I forgot to mention the hole." Ayan, ang napala. Nakalimutan. Parang katulad ko to eh. When the boat dried, my kids took the boat and went on a fishing trip. They did not know that there was a hole, and I was not at home at that time. Salamat for the 10 million people listening. When I returned and noticed they had taken the boat with talaga, I was desperate because I remembered that the boat had a hole. Imagine the relief and joy when I saw them returning from fishing. Talaga nga naman yung ama, pag nakita yung mga anak na nakabalik. Then I examined the boat and found that you had repaired the hole. You see now what you did? Sabi niya, you saved the life of my children. I do not have enough money to pay your small good deed. Maliit na butas lang pero malaking bagay na pala sa isang ama na na-save yung kanyang mga anak. Wow. The moral of the story, dito ako talaga na-touch. Nakaka-touch yung small act of kindness, nung painter. Tinapos niya yung trabaho niya, dinagdagan pa niya ng konti, katulad ni Auxilium Carig, may pa more. No matter who, when, and how, wag na daw natin masyadong intindihin kung sino, kailan, paano. Yes, tama sir. Salamat, salamat Auxilium Carig. Continue to help sustain. Tuloy lang. Sabi na nga. And I remembered Mother Teresa here when Mother Teresa was asked the meaning of giving. Basahin ko lang yung aking sa video kasi medyo then wipe tears. So let us daw continue to help others. Kung sino yung medyo nasaktan, wipe tears. Listen attentively. Kahit ano man lang, panandalian, makinig. Tama, big agree. Ninja ni Almira, nice sir. Thank you so much. And carefully repair all the leaks you find. Maliit na bagay, pero malaking bagay pala sa iba. You will never know when one is in need of us. Nice content, sir. Well, actually, this is, magpasalamat ako sa Anonymous. This is not mine. I just borrowed this. Disclaimer. This thought was shared, okay? And thank you so much for the one who have this great idea, to the anonymous one. Or when God holds a pleasant surprise for us. To be helpful and important to someone. Yung maliit na bagay, akala natin baliwala sa iba, pero para sa kanila, malaking bagay pala. Katulad sa story na to, maliit na butas pero nakasave ng buhay ng mga bata. Along the way, You may have repaired numerous boat holes. May mga kaibigan tayo paminsan-minsan na hindi natin alam, they're depressed, but by your listening, di ba? So without realizing how many lives you have saved. Nindot sir kay makahatag ka og mga pagtulunan sa viewers. Salamat Auxilium Karig. Salamat, salamat. Salamat also for the 9 million people watching. Make a difference. Alam ko bawat isa sa inyo, mga YouTubers, we make a difference. Make a difference, no? Bisag asa man mo nasa trabaho or sa pamilya, let us be the best. Be the best of you. Let us be the best. Let us give our best. Okay? Yung best, kahit kunti yan, kahit in a small act of kindness, small act of kindness, this is a program, yung small act of kindness, program ni Bisdako pala, ito Auxilium Carig, and to those listening for the 6 million people watching, it is a program, small act of kindness na namimigay po tayo yung with the help of our donors ng mga sa mga senior citizens. Yes, okay. So yun yung ating mga senior citizens na ating mga nabigyan. So probably I would like to end this, i-reshare ko lang yung video ng ating Love Pack program. Yan yung ating Love Pack program, small act of kindness para sa ating mga senior citizens. With the help of our donors, ay nakatulong din tayo ng iilan. This is a continuous program para sa mga senior citizens ng aming lugar. For the meantime, sinimulan natin sa lugar namin kasi sabi na nga, sino pa ba ang uunahin kung di yung atin mo ng mga lolo at mga lola kasi maraming nangangailangan, lalo na sa ngayong panahon ng pandemic. Small act of kindness, kunting bigas, kunting sardinas, kunting ay malaking tulong na sa kanila at sila naman ay natutuwa. This is pure apostolic deed, ha? No colors. Has no colors. Okay? Apostolic deed lang tayo. And kung bakit po si Bisdako ay ginawa natin to, I was stricken by the COVID, no? COVID survivor po si Bisdako. Okay? I almost sabi na nga, I almost died from COVID. And I thank God na nakasurvive tayo last December. I was back with my family after a month of fighting COVID. So COVID survivor po si Bisdako. And here I was inspired to extend help to others, okay? At ito po ay na-realize through the help of our donors din. Marami tayong mga donors din dyan. Auxilium Carig, wow, happy kayo si God sa imuha good deeds. To God be the glory, okay? To God be the glory. Pasasalamat lang po natin ito, okay? And for those willing also to extend help, okay? Kasi kung wala din po yung ating mga donors, ay hindi po marirealize nito. With God's blessing, sa link below, see the link below, mayroon po tayong PayPal if you want to extend something, okay? Or even your subscription, yung pag-subscribe ninyo sa channel ni Bisdako. This is the purpose kung medyo naging emotional lang si Bisdako kasi nung ma-remember ko lang yung COVID. Sorry, wako ka prepare og tissue. So actually a prayer also for all the COVID victims. Maraming I really wala ni sa I was not thinking nga mobalik sa ako ang experience sa COVID. Uy, wala ka prepare og tissue si Bisda ko. Wait. For all the COVID victims, I really pray to God. Pasensya na. Yes, more blessings sa tanan, okay? Yes, salamat sa mga banana na inyong gi-share ha. Okay, so before I end this 1 hour live stream, to be the best of us, my prayer din sa bawat pamilya ninyo, goal-driven. Kapatid, yes, salamat Almira. Yes, sir. To God be the glory for the healing. Okay, thank you. Yes, really. It was terrible experience. Mahirap talaga yung COVID, and I thank God that matud pa, God has given me another chance. So, actually, the Bisdako channel is inspired by this. Okay? Kaya ako na-create yung Bisdako channel is because of that experience. Okay? So, it's my prayer to each and every one of you. It's also my prayer sa tanang ni suporta. I'll pray for your family for supporting this Bisdako channel as a tool, no, na ma-extend natin yung kunting tulong para sa ating mga uh, kababayan or oh my god, sorry. Hindi na tuloy ako nakapagpamigay ng jacket ha. Sorry. Na ano ko lang, naalala ko lang ng yung COVID experience na isang buwan na 'yon. Uh, Anyway, I put some of my videos, Bisaya nga lang yung Cebuano nga lang yung akong videos. Yung COVID experience na yan is na i-share ko yan sa channel ko. But hindi talaga yung aking ordeal kasi that time I could not make some videos. At saka wala pa ang Bisda ko channel that time, okay? So but this is inspired lang yung time na yon. Amen. Thank you so much. So you're a bless. We are all blessings, okay? We are all blessings to each and every one of us, okay? Uh, Actually, nag-negative ko. November 17, I was infected November 17, isolated, pati family ko isolated. So, different bahay kami. And then, it was very good kasi December 8, I was tested, of course, na ano na tayo doon, but continuous kasi 1 month talaga. Nakabalik na ako sa family ko before Christmas. And I really thank God. So this was an inspiration na sabi ko, another chance sa life. So, small act of kindness, we share that to others. Then kayo naman na nagsusuporta sa Bisdako channel, thank you so much. And this is the purpose ng Bisdako channel is para for small things na maibigay. So yan naman mga tulong ng ating mga donors, nakapagbigay po tayo ng kahit konti. Yung iba naman makita ninyo isang sakong bigas kasi depende po yan mga malalaking family po naman yun na nangailangan. And this coming May, meron tayong another set of love packs na na-prepared. Yung nakita ninyo ngayon, that will be qualified, I think, for the May distribution. So, may mga volunteers tayo doon. Dahan-dahan, since alam mo naman, pag mga volunteers, so depende lang din sa availability. But ready na yung ating another 25, I think, 25 packs. Simple lang yung laman na yon. Bigas, noodles, sardines, powdered milk, then yan, yung mga na-i-flash ko dyan, yun yung ating mga volunteers. And also, I'm praying for them, okay? So, for those people watching, thank you so much for the support sa Bisdako channel, sa live stream na to ngayon. To God be the glory. Yes, amen. To God be the glory. So, nindot pa unta ipadayon ha. But anyway, bisda ko, manghingi ako sa inyo ng pasensya kung hindi ako nakapigil kanina nung nabanggit ko lang yung aking COVID ordeal. And I pray to God for all the victims na nandito pa tayo. And I know, looking forward kasi mayroon na tayong mga vaccine. So I think this would be great things. And again, sa mga supporters ng Bisdako channel, sa inyong mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. And before I'll end this, my prayers, okay? I pray for your family. pamilya ninyo, or even if you mayroon kayong mga nararamdaman, okay? And I pray for healing. I'll pray for healing. God will heal you. God will bless you. Maraming salamat sa lahat, okay? So, again, Bisdako would like to thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. To my subscribers, thank you so much. For those new, don't forget to click the subscribe button, ring the bell for notification. Bisdako, hats off for everyone, hats off for everyone. Thank you so much.